Hey everybody, are you having problems cutting wider boards without your saw binding or keeping your line straight? I got a little trick for you coming up. So I got a lot of 2x12s I got to cut for a video framing in a office, which if you're interested, should be loaded up. And I got to cut 2x12s. Well, sometimes when you cut a 2x12, it's hard to keep it straight. So here's a little trick that'll help you folks that are having problems there. That's where we want to cut him, right? Well, take your saw here. And get him lined up right on your cut here. And then take your speed square and hold him tight against the other side, and that way you're holding your pressure here, you're pushing with your right hand, holding with your left hand, and you run that base right along that speed square. Keep it straight. There you go. And check him. Perfect. Well, there you have it, folks. That is how you can cut a wider board easily. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, shoot me a comment, subscribe, like, and till next time, keep making dust.